when I saw this, I was just like, oh, okay, this is something. I mean, look at her hair. Even the hair is great. But anyway, that's not what we're here for. Hey you guys, the Doc is Hope here and welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you are doing well and I hope you guys are having a great week so far. So today I want to go over some spring patterns, where I'm doing a bit of a spring pattern haul. I am right in the middle of my February sewing plans that I shared with you guys not too long ago, but it's not too early to plan because spring is right around the corner. Before you know it, it will be March and then April and so on and so forth. So I have been taking advantage of pattern sales and going out and just finding just wonderful spring patterns that I'm so excited about sewing up and that I'm so excited about sharing with you guys. So if you guys like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that we can continue to hang out together and you all can catch these videos once a week. And if you're already subscribed, go ahead and turn on that notification by hitting the bell and it will let you know when I've posted my new videos. So I actually have been watching a lot of Project Runway lately. That's one of the things that my daughter and I do together. I have not finished, so don't spoil it for me if you watch it who won, because I'm really at the part where they're about to do New York Fashion Week. But I've just been watching their creative process and it's just so exciting and so inspirational to watch. So with that being said, with the patterns that I've bought, I've tried to find things that are unique, things that really are special and different from most things that you would see or buy in the store. And I plan to do like some mixing and matching with fabrics, which I haven't done a whole lot of before, but I really want to get into that this year, just to kind of push the creativity and really get some really nice, unique garments. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys. So I have been a little sick this past week. So if you hear sniffles or anything like that, that's what's going on. I'm not sure if it's allergies or a cold. Yeah, bear with me today. So here we go. In no particular order, except for that I have saved my favorite for last. The first pattern that I picked up is from Simplicity. It's R11325. And I just love the look of this. I've been looking for more two-piece separates that are like the same fabric, just because I feel like it's effortless dressing, right? You don't have to like wonder if it's going to match. You don't have to decide which shirt you want to wear with which pants. This just goes together. It's an outfit, right? And I love how they belted it here. I think that's just so nice to cinch the waistline. So I love that. And I just like the lines of this outfit in general. It's just so clean. And I mean, this color, and what is that, like mint green? It just screams spring to me. I'm not sure, what fabric color I'll choose yet, but I'm excited about it. I love that these pants have a side invisible zipper and pockets. So, and I like how they cut right here at the shin. So not like a long pant or shorts. It's kind of a casual springtime, lunch or brunch or whatever situation. So I really like this pattern. I feel like I'll wear that because it's just effortless, like I said. The fabric suggestions here are, let's see, for the top. Well, no. Okay, so let me go back. I think I'm going to make view B and C as she's wearing it here. And so the fabric suggestions for that are chambray, cotton blends, linen blends, piqué, sateen, seersucker, stretch wovens, double knit, and ponte. So plenty of options to find something that's lovely in one of those fabrics. So I'm definitely excited about this one. I don't know about you guys, but my pattern stash is off the chain. Do people say off the chain anymore? I don't know. Off the chain, out the box, on fleek, doing the most, whatever you want to say. That's what my pattern stash is doing. I just, for some reason, I can't stop buying patterns. And then they're on sale. So it's like, okay, it's only $1 or it's only $2 or it's only $5. So you kind of rationalize it and it's like, well, I haven't bought anything like that yet. Haven't made anything like that before. So yeah, it's a bit of a problem. I know that some of you have mentioned that you guys buy a lot of fabric, but I guess I buy a lot of patterns. I guess that's my thing. Just the possibility of what I can make whenever I get around to it. So I want to slow down and sew what I've bought thus far, or sew up what I bought thus far, instead of like continually buying patterns. But it's hard, you guys. It's hard because there are so many good patterns. Anyway, my next one is a Butterick, and it's 6054. Can you really tell me that you guys could see this in the store and not buy it? Like, maybe Patterns Anonymous, PA? I don't know. Okay, so look at this. I mean, it's just, oh my goodness. And look at the back. You can see the lines of that. It's a wrap dress and it's a knit. That's just like, that's gonna be beautiful for springtime. I even like the black and white that she's got here in that print. I think I'll definitely do a print. I love prints. I don't know if you guys have realized that about me yet. Solids, yes, but prints, the life of prints. I think prints just bring clothes to life. But that's my personal opinion. Anyway, this fitted wrap dress can be made in lightweight two-way stretch knits only, such as jersey. I don't believe that's jersey that she's got on there, but I look forward to finding something springy and really cute to sew this dress, and I can't wait. I can't wait. I mean, I can't wait. Y'all know how I feel about a tie or a belt at the waist. So, okay. Next is another Butterick pattern. This is 6756. And again, can you find this in the store and just say, I'm okay. I have something like that in the closet. I'm okay. This situation right here, y'all. View B. This jumpsuit. I just, what's a girl to do? It's just, and the print, they did a lot with these prints on these pattern envelopes, because this print right here, this right here is screaming my name. This right here is calling me, and I'm picking up the phone. What can I say? This I love. This blue, green, white, black situation. I mean, I don't know if she's going on safari or to the Bahamas. I don't know, but I love it. I'm loving the whole situation. There's gathering at the shoulder. There's gathering at the waist. There's a belt. I mean, I don't even know what other words are there. I'm very excited, you guys. Okay, so fabrics for this jumpsuit are crepe, challis, silk, double georgette. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, I'll find something. I mean, it looks just very flowy because you can see even in the dress version how flowy that is. But I mean, is that chiffon? Maybe not. But that's just going to be beautiful. And it's going to be a nice, cool spring jumpsuit. And you can never have enough jumpsuits, right? Maybe. All right, guys. Next up, and I love this. I only buy Vogue patterns when they're on sale because they're so expensive. The regular price for this Vogue pattern was $30, y'all. I just feel like for $30, I could have bought the fabric, the whole fabric for the pattern with $30. But needless to say, I every now and then buy a Vogue pattern because they're very nice. But this one that I picked up is a Chado Ralph Rucci. This is Vogue 1239. And I think this is a new one from Vogue. A shirt wrap dress, a wrap shirt dress, however you want to put it. The combination is just everything. So the structure of this dress is giving me like kimono, like you know how that the kimonos do that neck thing, how they kind of come up high on the neck and then wrap with that belt. But then it's giving me like classic shirt dress at the same time. And I don't know if they posed her like this, but this is giving me a bit of warrior princess vibes. I don't know. How many of y'all used to watch Xena? I don't know. Maybe I'm aging myself. Anyways, I just love that. And the bow here on the back that they tied. Yeah, I love this. I feel like maybe for a day or I don't know, like a wedding. It's wedding season coming up. Weddings, just something nice, something special. I feel like this would be great for, but spring, very excited about this pattern. Fabrics for this include poplin, taffeta, and shantung. And it's also lined. So they're suggesting China silk as the lining. That sounds beautiful. That just sounds luscious. So, loving this pattern. All right, you guys, my final one is another Vogue pattern. This is Vogue 1674. And I mean, I might just make every single version of this dress because it's just that bad. This is a bad dress, y'all. Okay. Where to begin? Just take it in for a moment. Hopefully you can see. Just take it in. Even down to the shoe. Just give me this whole situation down to the shoe. But this is view B. Like I said, I want to go with something different, something, unique in pattern world. So this off the shoulder situation here, I am just loving, absolutely loving it. Okay. And I feel like they've gotten better with styling. Like when I saw this, I was just like, oh, okay, this is something. I mean, look at her hair. Even the hair is great. But anyway, that's not what we're here for. View A, what's the difference? Let's see, I feel like it's just that it's two fabrics. Yep, contrast. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about, mixing and matching fabrics, right? You see how they've contrasted the stripes and then the horizontal stripe? I love that. It just gives it so much interest and it makes it something that's just, it takes it to the next level. So I love that. View B, which is here and here, in white. Oh, that looks expensive. I love that. That looks very expensive. Could y'all, get you one of these right here. That's gonna be nice. Okay, and then guys, view C, look at this. It's a crisscross situation at the top. Crisscross. So again, wedding season. Could you imagine being invited to a wedding and you show up in this? That is just everything. And I love how it's hitting just below the knee. Like that's so just like classic. And then finally view D, which this pattern is just great, guys. It's a crisscross again across the top. I feel like the difference is where it hits. No, the difference again is the contrasting. So this is all one color, whereas this is contrasting. I could make any one of these or all of them. When I tell you that I shouldn't buy any more patterns, that is partly because I should just be making different views of the patterns that I already have. So, yeah, needless to say, I am very excited about this pattern. This is going to be, let's see, fabric suggestions, two-way stretch knits, rayon, spandex, well, rayon with spandex, cotton with spandex. Oh, that could be nice, rayon spandex. Okay, so yeah, I'm very excited about this one. I think it's gonna be beautiful. And at some point I will, so many patterns. Yeah, I'm gonna be sewing these. I'm gonna be sewing these and I can't wait to share them with you guys. Hopefully I'll have them ready just in time for spring. All right, you guys, so hopefully at least one of these patterns has caught your eye today, and hopefully you'll go out and buy it and sew it up for spring. Let me know in the comments which one is your absolute favorite, or if you've made one of these before and you just want to say like, hey, I've made it and it's beautiful, or hey, I've made it and I didn't like it. I don't know, be honest with me. But anyway, let me know in the comments if you know which one was your favorite. And yeah, I can't wait to get these sewn up at some point in the near future and share them with you guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, come on, go ahead and subscribe so that we can continue to hang out together and you can catch these fun videos once a week. All right, you guys, well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I enjoyed making it for you. And so until next time, have a great week, and I will see you guys later.